So hey guys, this is day 12 of a series that I started on my channel Tuning Data. In this series, I am solving 100 real business question in Power BI. So if you have not seen previous video, you can just click on the I button. You can watch all the previous videos there. In today's question, I have increased some complexity level. So I hope you will enjoy while solving this question today. So let's open your Power BI and learn and practice together. So let's start today's question now. So guys, this is my Power BI homepage here. Let me connect the data from my PostgreSQL database. Okay, so let's click here on get data and now on more. So I hope you know that how we connect the data from our PostgreSQL database to Power BI. If you don't know, let me tell you here, like we have to search like PostgreSQL database, then click here on connect. For the server name, if you are using your own system, just write here localhost. Okay, and for the database name, the database that we have already created in your PostgreSQL, the database name will be given here. So let's give it like 100 question series, and let's connect this. So it will take some time, so be with me guys. So the data is being loaded here. If you want to get all this data, you can go through the link given in the description of this video. Okay, so you will get all this data on my GitHub profile, so don't worry about that. So our database has been connected to our Power BI. Let's load it to Power BI desktop. Yeah, so our data has been loaded to our Power BI. We have this one table like sales table. In this table, we have these columns like sale ID, sale date, region, product, customer ID, quantity, and amount. Okay, so this is the data that we are going to use today for today's question. So guys, this is the question that we are going to solve today in this video. So this is day 12 of 100 business question series in Power BI. And the question for today is build a Power BI report for the last 14 days that includes a line chart showing daily sales by region and product, a matrix visual with region as rows, product as columns, and sales growth percentage from the last 7 days to the previous 7 days to the last 7 days. For each region, a table visual showing the product with the highest sales growth rate in last 7 days and slicer for region and product. So this is the question that we are going to solve today. So let's start writing DAX formula or start creating measure and solve this question now. So first I'm going to create two measure, one for the previous 7 days sales and the second one is the last 7 days sales. So let's write the DAX query here, which is last 7 days sales. And the formula will be like calculate sum of total amount. And then we are going to use a filter, sales table. And the filter will be like sale date should be greater than equal to date 2025 06, and the last 7 days is from 17 to 23. Okay, so and sale date should be less than equal to date 2025 and 06/23. So guys, this is the DAX formula to find last 7 days sales. So let's run this query now. So we have created this measure for last 7 days sales. Now we are going to create a measure which will show the previous 7 days sales. Okay, so let's copy this and write here previous. The date will be from 10 to 16. Okay, so this is previous 7 days and run this query now. And now we are going to create a measure which will show the sales growth percentage for previous 7 days. Okay, so let's create a measure here and write here like sales growth in percentage. So write the formula here, which is last 7 days sales minus previous 7 days sales divided by previous 7 days sales multiplied by 100. Okay, so this is the formula to find the sales growth percentage. So let's run this query now. And now we have to create a matrix visual here which will show the region, products and sales growth percentage. So let's take a matrix chart from here. And now we are going to take region is rows and product as column. Okay, and then we are going to take previous 7 days sales. What's happening this bro? Previous 7 days sales and last 7 days sales. So this is not working. Oh sorry, take this in values. Previous 7 days sales and last 7 days sales. Okay, and then sales growth for each product and each region. So this is the form matrix chart here, which is showing the region and their products and their previous 7 days sales and last 7 days sales and their sales growth percentage for each product in each region. Okay, now we have to create a line chart to show the daily sales by region and product. So let me take this here. Line chart. And take this region here on x-axis and the product and the total sales. Okay, so this is the product by wise trend for each region and each product. And let's take this sale date on x-axis and take this day only. So this is daily trend for product sales for each region and each product. Now we have to create a table visual which will show the top highest sales growth products in last 7 days for each region. But before that, I'm going to create a slicer here for region and product. So let's take this slicer and region and one slicer for product. Okay, so now we are going to create a table visual which will show the product with the highest sales growth for each region. So let's create a measure here for top products. Top product. So for this, I'm going to create a variable here. Like we want all the selected region. And that's why I'm using here selected values for region. And then I'm going to create a measure which will create a table here, which is product table. Okay, so let's add columns and use summarize because you want only region in the product. Okay, so let's take a region column and then products column, and the column name will be growth for each product in each region, and the value will be sales percentage growth. This is the product table, and now we want to filter this, so let's create another table here, another variable which is filter table. Okay, so let's write here filter, and the table will be this product table. And the expression will be like region is equal to selected region. Select region. Now create another measure here which will show the top products. Let's close this bracket here. Top product. For this, I'm going to use a top n. The value will be 1 from table filter table on the basis of growth in descending order. Okay, so let's, and then this will return maximum of top product on the basis of from product. So let's run this query here now. So let's close this. And now take this table chart from here and this region in this table chart and the product, not this product, only top product. So this is the top product for each region here. If you want to filter here, like for each region, it will show only for the east region, and for the north region, it will show only for the north region. So as you can see here, let's remove this filter. As you can see, for the east region, the phone is the top growth generated product. In the north region, the phone is the top growth generated product. In south region, it's tablet, and in west region, it's phone. So this is all about today's question, guys. I hope you enjoy while solving this question today. So let's wrap up this video now. So I hope, guys, this video will really make an impact in your future analysis. If yes, please hit the like button, share with your friend, and save for the future reference. I will meet you in the next video with the next question. Till then, goodbye.